Hey, 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 hey. Welcome, everyone. I'm really glad you're all here because this is not just another live. Quiet down. I don't want to quiet down. I'm excited. And this is not just another update. This moment right now matters. Take a picture where you're at. Look at a date. Look at a clock. You're going to remember this live. We know, as us three, we know many of you have been waiting, watching, and wondering what's been happening. And let me say this clearly. What's been happening is not a pause. It's been preparation. Over the past couple of months, there has been very intentional now, very focused work taking place behind the scenes, making sure that what is coming next is not rushed, not incomplete, but built the right way. And I've said that a million times. It's got to be done the right way. Okay? Every time I've said it, a lot of us have said that. We recently had a powerful conversation with Ash Mafara, and I can tell you with full confidence, we weren't just talking about fishing, which we normally do. Things are not only moving, they are aligning. And that's very important because when things align the right way, hear me now, they move with strength, they move with clarity, and with purpose. Hear that? With purpose. Now, we are not here today to break everything down all at once. That time will come, but we are here to let you know this. What's coming next is real. It's active. It's going to start unfolding very soon. So if you're here right now, you're exactly where you need to be. I am very excited because I get to do this with my beautiful sisters, Susie and Julie. And I'm going to bring on Julie next. And welcome, ladies. I love you both. Julie, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Chris. Hello, Susie. Hello, Chris. It's so good to see you. It's so good to see you. And I know we have coffee every morning, but it's also so overjoyed to have that conversation that we have with Mr. Ashmufar. It's so overjoyed, and that joy continue to go, right? Continue to come. Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. I want to take this moment to give you a little bit more insight into what's happening right now, because this phase it's very important. What's happening behind the scenes is not just activity, it's structure progress. Structure progress. I want to repeat that, right? This is a clear direction, a clear vision, and a very intentional way that everything is going to unfold. And part of that process has begun, has already begun. Right now, Mr. Ashmufara is personally selecting a number of leaders to participate in a private conversations. Please think about the word leaders and the characters that comes with it. And as we understand what we are looking forward to. Friends, these discussions are not just random. They are very purposeful. They are designed to help set the foundation for what comes next and to ensure that when information is shared, it is clear, it is aligned, and it is impactful. So, what we are seeing right now is the beginning of the phase rollout. Not everything comes as once, as we know, but everything will be in the right order. And that's how something meaningful is being built. So now, my friend, the most important thing is very simple. Stay connected, stay awake, and stay open to what's about to unfold because we are getting very close. I wanted to say thank you, both of my beautiful sister, brother, friends, Susie McCrae and Chris. We're always there together. And now I wanted to bring in Susie McCrae.
Wow, thank you, Julie. Yes, we are back. We are back in action. And yesterday we had such a magnificent, lovely, wonderful phone call with Mr. Ash Mufara. It was so much fun, all different kinds of discussions, just to hear his laugh, his focus, feeling his big heart coming through the telephone. It was just like old times. And it was just wonderful to be part of it. So thank you so much, Ash, because we know, um, we are ready. I just want to speak from the heart a little bit about all of this, because whether you've been here from the beginning or you've just recently joined this journey, this is now the critical moment to really pay attention, because we are part of something that is evolving, and what's coming you don't want to miss. Don't allow yourselves to get distracted, disconnected, or to be uncertain. That's not good. This journey has always been about vision, belief, and timing. And I also want to throw in trust and loyalty. And right now we're stepping into that important phase. So this is the time to stay ready. How do you stay ready? You stay plugged in, you stay aligned, because the next updates, the next steps, they are going to matter. And when they begin to unfold, you will want to be in position and ready. So once again, we're back. We thank everyone for their time. We appreciate every single one of you, and we're excited for what's ahead. So have